Hey my friends, Jason Rinehart here with Light Painting Brushes and Coast Flashlights, and I've got my daughter Jasmine.
Hey.
And we are back for episode 2 of Around the House. Let's get it. In this episode, what we're going to use are these cool straws, colored straws that I found. We're going to do a lot of different color variations, and I'm going to show you how you can take a universal connector from Light Painting Brushes and create a light painting tool with these straws. So step 1 in creating our tool, we're going to start separating the straws in different kind of color patterns that we want. For instance, try to make the colors that are complementary to one another. I've got pink, green, and blue. That will be a nice combo there. And we'll show you how to take the universal connector and create your tool.
The next step for us to do is grab our universal connector from Light Painting Brushes and grab our straws and put it inside of the universal connector.
So now that we've created our light painting tool with the universal connector and colored straws, we've got some nice different color variations that we're going to try out. It's time to go get creative. You ready?
Yup.
Let's do this. So everyone's shooting environment is going to be a little different. So in my studio environment here, I'm going to be shooting at ISO 640 and with an aperture of 7.1. So the tools that we're going to be using for our light painting, I've got the Light Painting Brushes Portrait Light, universal connector, a Coast TX9R flashlight, and we're going to use that to illuminate our model. Also the universal connector with the colored straws and a Coast G26 flashlight. So the first step we want to do is take the tool that we created, start up front kind of near your camera, and just kind of flow through the scene. Now you can be really creative with this and how you want to move and what type of texture you want to get. But at the end, just swoop right in front of the camera. What that's going to do is create a unique color hue to the frame. The last thing you want to do is take the Light Painting Brushes Portrait Light, start down low, and come up and over your model's head just to illuminate her.
Now that we've created our tool and we know our camera settings, it's time to get creative.
So we would like to thank you all so very much for checking out this episode of Around the House. Please don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. And also, just stay tuned for more exciting episodes of Around the House. Now, what do we tell them, girls?
Get out there and light paint.
Now get out there and light paint. That's a wrap.
Woo! So excited. You're making this happen. Oh God. No, I'm not watching.